topic for today to be tackled by Coach Rafi Rivas. Okay, thank you. Coach Rafi.
All right. Perfect morning po sa ating lahat. So, another day, another special topic po tayo for this morning. But first, magpapakilala po muna ako. I'm Coach Rafi Rivas, 38 years young. Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant US support. Dati pong overweight, sakitin ng likod at mainitin ng ulo dahil nga po laging puyat. So nag-start gumamit ng Herbalife products almost 4 years ago. We simply replaced our breakfast with aloo tea and shake. Since then, maliban sa nakalus po ako ng more than 40 pounds, dumami ang energy, at ngayon po ay na-enjoy na ang paglalaro ng sports at patuloy na sinishare ang power of nutrition. And favorite tablets ko po ang NRG, obviously to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. So meron din tayong Formula 2, ang vitamins and minerals. All right. So let's proceed with our perfect topic this morning. So we have the 3 facts on why exercising is important to your health. Ang source po natin is ang herbalife.com, wellness resources and articles. All right, so usually po daw ang basehan ng pagiging fit ay nakikita sa itsura ng ating pangangatawan at dahil dyan, the external changes that result from increased physical activity ay madalas na motivational factor para mas ganahan tayo mag-exercise. So people want to see the results of their hard work on the scale and in the mirror. So type 1 nga po tayo dyan sa mga meron ng result at yung nadadalas po ang pagtingin natin sa salamin. Ako po personally, pag lumalabas po ako sa CR, minsan ano ako tignan yung sarili ko, no? Kahit sa labas lang, sa salamin ng sasakyan. So, medyo namo-motivate tayo araw-araw pag nakita natin gumaganda yung ating itsura. At syempre, sabi dito, external changes resulting from living a healthy, active lifestyle happen slowly. Alright, di natin yan minamadali. Galing gusto po natin is pangmatagalan. Alright, so next page po tayo. So pag sinabi natin exercise, meron po tayong tinatawag na Cardio 101. Yan po ang cardiorespiratory exercise. Ito po yung term used to describe exercise that works for your heart and circulatory system. So ito po yung, this system has to work all day, every day in order to keep us alive. So exercises like walking, running, cycling, and swimming are all great examples of cardio exercises. So sabi diyan, heart strength training, dahil ang heart is a muscle and exercise helps to improve your heart's blood pumping capabilities. All right, next page. So meron tayong 3 great facts about cardio exercise. So una sa listahan ng ating lower resting heart rate. So your heart has to work harder during exercise by pumping blood at a faster rate. As a result, it becomes increasingly efficient at pumping blood in general. So this can make your everyday activities seem easier over time because your heart has to work less to sustain them. So you can often see this change in reduced resting heart rate. So kung sanay po ang ating puso sa exercise, so hindi na yan mahihirapan kung mapapansin nyo po, no, kung ang tao ay wala pong masyadong activity or exercise, kapag bigla ang kumilos or bigla ang napaakyat ng hagdan, kung mapapansin nyo po yung heart nyo parang hirap na hirap, parang kayong kinakabahan. So sobra yung pagpapump ng puso ninyo. But pag meron kayong regular exercise, diyan na po nasasanay ang ating puso. Alright. So next, ang ating weight loss. Alam na po nating lahat yan. But it says here, when you increase your activity level with cardio exercise, your body has to burn extra fuel in order to meet the increased need for energy. So importante po ang energy sa pang-araw-araw nating ginagawa, no? So stored fat is the primary fuel source for prolonged cardio exercise. So this increased energy expenditure combined with a reduced calorie intake can lead to significant weight loss. Alright, pangatlo sa ating listahan, ang reduced stress. Cardio exercise promotes the production of your brain's feel-good neurotransmitters. Ano po ba yan? Yan po ang tinatawag na endorphins. Alright, so ito po ay isang hormones that act as a natural painkillers and improve your moods. So ano ba ginagawa ng endorphin sa atin? So it relieve pain, reduce stress, improve your mood, enhance your sense of well-being, nakaka-boost po ng self-esteem, support cognitive function, promote immune system health, reduce inflammation, and regulate appetite. All right. So cardio exercise can often feel like meditation in motion. So as you start to exercise and focus on what you are doing, so yung stress level may decrease. As a result, once you're finished, although you may feel physically tired, you can feel mentally rejuvenated. All right. So sabi dito, exercise should be regarded as a tribute to the heart. All right. Next page. Okay, so may question ako dito, no? Coach, paano ko may enjoy ang cardio exercise kung mataas pa ang timbang ko at hirap ako kumilos? Okay? So, dito po papasok ang natutunan ko po sa sponsor ko, no, sa coach ko. Shout out dito sa aking coach, kay Doc Eric at kay Tin Herrera. So, sabi nila 4 years ago, nung nakausap namin sila, 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. So, paano yung 80% nutrition na yan? So, again, dyan po papasok ang value ng ating mga Herbalife wellness coach. Sila po ang magtuturo sa atin paano natin ma-achieve ang proper nutrition intake. So, syempre, sisimulan natin yan sa healthy breakfast. Na-discuss po yan kanina, ang ating lutein shake. At i-maximize po natin ang targeted supplementation. To learn more, kindly reach out to the person who invited you here po sa Virtual Nutrition Club. At syempre, kung naaalala nyo kanina, meron na nabanggit, external changes resulting from living a healthy, active lifestyle happen slowly. Syempre, katulong po natin ang ating mga coaches. Alright. So, next page po. So, ayan na po si Herbalife Aloe Concentrate, ang ating tea at ang NRG. Siyempre, saan ba natin yan makukuha, no? Dito lang po yan sa, we are #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright. At syempre, sabay-sabay po natin i-type 1. Sino ba naman hindi magsisay yes to good nutrition? We have the seal of product quality. Super brands, sobrang familiar po tayo dyan. At patuloy po natin pagkatiwalaan ng high quality ng ating produkto, no? Alright, so naway meron po tayong natutunan today. At again, I encourage everyone, lalo na sa mga bago, na mag-invite pa dito sa Barangay Virtual Nutrition Club para mas matutunan po natin ang proper nutrition. At maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. And back to you, Coach Beth. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Rafi. Yes, exercise is essential. So let's do the 20% exercise and i-follow natin yung advice ni Coach Rafi. Okay, so sa mga bago na